Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. From now we will start the anatomy starter series. Already in our channel we have the anatomy practical exam series and we have covered many topics in the upper limb, lower limb and also in the abdomen. Again, as the university exams are going to start soon, we will start the important anatomy starter series test is in which we will not tell again the all the theory part, only the Sparta related questions. So from this we will start the test is and we will see the other important Spartas in thorax, abdomen, upper limb, lower limb, head and neck, brain. So you continue watching this series. Those who have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe now. Keep watching the videos. Now we will see the spotter series of tests. So this spotter may be given like this and you may have the question identify the viscera. So you should be able to identify the viscera. This viscera is the testis. So the testis ellipsoid in form and it is suspended into the scrotum by the corresponding spermatic cord. So you should know the length, breadth, thickness, all these details which we have covered already in the gross anatomy of the testis. So now the next question in the spotter may be identified as the side of the viscera. So you should write testis, then you should identify the side of the testis. How to identify the side of the testis? The testis will present two ends, upper end and lower end. You should hold the testis by the spermatic cord in the hand. How to identify the upper end? Upper end will have the head of the epididymis. So that is the upper end and this will be the anterior border and posterior border will be related to the again the body and tail of epididymis and this will be the lateral surface of the testis. Lateral surface of the testis will be related to the will be separated from the posteriorly to the epididymis, separated from the epididymis by a semilunar recess of vaginal sac, sinus of epididymis. So this sinus, this opening you should keep on the lateral side, head of epididymis and spermatic cord in the upper end, so that you will identify the side of the testis. So this is the sinus of epididymis, you should tell by which it should be on the lateral side, lateral surface. So identify the coverings of the testis. So these are the coverings. This is the epididymis and this epididymis again in the hand is the coverings. So the coverings of the testis are the tunica so the testis will have the intrinsic coverings and extrinsic coverings. Intrinsic coverings are 3 in number, outer to inner, tunica vaginalis, tunica albuginea and tunica vasculosa. Extrinsic coverings are skin, Dartas muscle, external spermatic fascia, cremasteric muscle and fascia, internal spermatic fascia. So in the Spartas we may have the question identify the side of the viscera and write the coverings of the viscera. So like that the questions may be. So what is this labeled part of the viscera? So that is what we told, this gap. This gap is the sinus of epididymis. It is a semilunar in shape, semilunar recess of vaginal sac which is separating the lateral surface of the testis and the epididymis, which helps in the determination of the side of the testis. So the pin may be present or a probe may be present in this part and you may be asked to explain what is it. So that may be the one question in the spotter. So what is this part in the upper part of the testis, upper end of the testis? Upper end of the testis what? So that may be the question, identify the labeled part of the viscera. So what is this? Anybody knows? Anybody have seen in the specimen? Yes, it is the appendix of testis. The upper end of the testis gives a attachment to this sessile fibrofatty body called as appendix of testis, which represents the embryonic remnant of the cephalic part of the Mullerian duct. Sometimes appendix of epididymis may be present. So if it is present, you may be asked even in the Spartus, what is it? Appendix of epididymis, which is a remnant of degenerated cephalic part of the mesonephros. So this is the remnant of Mullerian duct. So you should know what is Mullerian duct or paramesonephric duct. In embryology, you should again go to the topic and revise so that it will be interesting. This is the degenerated embryonic remnant of the cephalic part of the Mullerian duct. So in this Spartus series in the testis, we have covered important questions which may be kept in the Spartus. So with the next viscera in the Spartus series, we will again see in the next video. Those who have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe now. Keep watching the videos. Thank you.